My name is Scott Tilson. I'm from Owings Mills, Maryland. Gentlemen, you have stated many times that Lou Simpson manages the GEICO investment portfolio on an independent and autonomous basis. What unique or superior qualities does Mr. Simpson possess as an investor that has earned him this tremendous vote of confidence? Secondly, Berkshire invests in privately held businesses as well as publicly traded securities. While the skill set required to value public and private businesses may be the same, does Mr. Simpson also have the additional experience and skills necessary to negotiate a private transaction if called upon to do so?
Yeah, I think he could, but I hope he doesn't get called on to very soon. Lou is smart and careful and high grade and experienced. So he does manage a couple $1 billion autonomously. He will buy things I won't know about them until I either look at a monthly sheet or sometimes read it in the paper. And that's fine. You know, he doesn't know what I'm doing. I don't know what he's doing. And every now and then we're in the same security, so we try and coordinate if we're buying or selling under those circumstances. And incidentally, you will occasionally read a headline or not a very big headline, but in the financial press that says Buffett buying XYZ. Well, sometimes it should say Simpson buying XYZ. The reports we file would not necessarily tell the reader which one of us made the decision, because even if the reports show that something was bought in GEICO, that could be bought in by me and placed in GEICO for various reasons, or conceivably Lou can buy something and place it in National Indemnity or some other Berkshire company for perfectly good reasons. But some of what gets reported is done by Berkshire is done by Lou entirely independent of me, and most of it in terms of dollars is done by me. But Lou's record is just as good as mine. So and Lou would know how to evaluate businesses, whether private negotiations or public securities, but I'm in no hurry to turn it over. 7.